This is an overview of a night collision between a delivery truck and a sedan near Plainview, Texas in 2011. The sedan was parked somewhere on the shoulder of the road and was struck by the truck. The right front of the truck was damaged. The left rear portion of the sedan was heavily damaged and the occupants were seriously injured. At the nighttime testing, an exemplar sedan was placed in the position of the accident vehicle. Observations were recorded from several distances and several sedan locations. Drive-through tests were performed at different vehicle speeds and different sedan configurations.